Benny and Rocky discover loops. Benny the rabbit stares at code with the word while. But what does it do? Rocky the hamster presses run but nothing happens. But will it work? Benny reads the strange looping instruction aloud slowly. But will the computer understand? Text floods the screen repeating hello 5 times perfectly. Rocky changes 5 to 3 and the loop stops earlier. Benny discovers turtle code that draws octagon shapes repeatedly. Rocky changes step size and creates bigger repeated patterns. An endless loop prints text without stopping completely. Rocky adds a counter to fix the runaway program. Benny discovers music loops that layer drum beats together. Rocky connects code loops to music beat repetition patterns. Their loop draws rainbow circles while playing music repeatedly. They learn how loops repeat instructions to create patterns.